Here's how you change your windshield on the 2018 CBR1000RR. It's one of the simpler jobs you can do. Here are the tools you're going to need. You're going to need an Allen wrench, a 3mm Allen wrench. So that's pretty much all we're going to use. So that's 1, 2, so just be careful, it has plastic washers when you take the bolt. Then are these bolts or screws? Okay, so we got 4 of them. Now what you do is pry it out. And here you go. Little bubble windshield. So I'm gonna get the stock one and put it back on there. Take all these grommets out and put them on the stock one. Two here, then the other 2 on the top. The middle one is already fixed in the fairing, so we're worried about 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this side faces down. Yeah, this is not easy to put in. You might need the flathead screwdriver to kind of force it out. You don't want to cut it though. So this is what I did. I know there's probably a better way to get this through, but this is how I'm doing it. Just be careful not to scratch it or cut the plastic, the rubber. Alright, so we got it out. Now it's ready to go in. Before I put it in, I'm going to go clean it up with rubbing alcohol. There are 2 red tabs on either side, 1 on each side, that you want the grommet on the bottom 2 holes to kind of fit in. So this is you will have to squeeze the sides a little bit to get this to fit in. Work your way in. Just be careful not to break anything. That'll be bad news. So looks like we got it seated. Now we put the screws back on. Goes in there. And now you can torque it all down. Not too tight, just snug. Okay. Now we got our stock windshield back on. Thanks for watching.